To purchase cryptocurrency on the Kucoin mobile app, start by opening the application. Navigate to the Assets section, located at the bottom right, and select Buy Crypto directly. From there, browse the extensive list of available cryptocurrencies and choose the one you wish to buy. Note that, initially, you can purchase from the listed options, and later, you can swap them for other cryptocurrencies within the Kucoin platform. To proceed, select the desired cryptocurrency and specify the amount you want to purchase, for example, €10. You will then be prompted to choose a payment method, including options such as easy bank transfer, regular bank transfer, debit or credit card, or third-party services. After selecting your preferred payment method, you can add your bank card details, accept the terms of use and privacy policy, and confirm the payment. Once the payment is processed, you will have successfully bought the chosen cryptocurrency on the Kucoin mobile app.